Welcome to This Thing's Got Problems, and the thing that has problems today is this Indian Springfield, or what's left of it. I mean, don't look too close. We're gonna address the orange peeled paint. That's the thing we're gonna do today. Don't look at the exhaust. That's been capped off on one side and is Did you just look at it? I told you not to look at it. We're addressing the paint.
I mean, my God. What in the heck has gone on here? I guess if it's not coming out right, just put more clear on, right? Just keep on going.
Don't mind me walking, I'm just unlocking the building. We're going to use Griot's Fast Correcting Cream, and Perfecting Polish Cream thing, a wool pad, and a couple foam pads. And that's all it's going to take to do this, with a lot of sandpaper. And your elbow is that's going to sting by the time we're done. So I'm going to blast through this thing real quick and show you that not all hope is lost if you buy something with paint like that. Okay, we'll get through this.
Also, what the hell is going on here? Why?
All right, so let's face it, this paint is screwed up, so you're not really gonna hurt it, right? So give it the business. I started off with some 1200 3M. It's kind of a weird fabric-y kind of sandpaper. Works okay. Just sand in any direction you want until you get rid of all those little shiny bits. You still kind of see some up in the north there. And then give it hell with that wool pad. And then we moved on to a foam, and then we moved on to a polish. This is just a real quick example. And you can do something with it. It's a little lumpy. Sure, if I used a block, that probably would have been better. But here we go. Let's move on to the tank. Wow. I mean, you can read that paint with your hands. All right, again, spray it down with some quick detailer and just start sanding. I like to go side to side. I guess it kind of prevents the finger marks from digging in there, but at this point, who cares? Now this is after, a little side by side. Left side of tank is done, right side, not yet. There's the comparison. You can hear my dog walking in. That's fine. We're going to leave that audio.
We are getting there on the tank. Half is done. That's not the half. That's the half. There you go.
Again, just go at it with a wool pad. Or like the 3M, it doesn't throw, fur everywhere. It looks like you exploded a sheep all over your shop. I'm using the hardest Fast Correct cream, I believe, from Griot's. This is like the hardest thing you can use right off the start. Really bites and cuts in. Yep, get rid of one-handed. Always easy. Strong Velcro. And this is just a little orange. It's also a cutting pad. I believe it's Adams. Could be wrong. Got it on the Amazon. It's pretty cheap, actually. This is it all together. And then towards the end there, again, you'd use that black pad. Black pretty universally is polish. Just read it and make sure. Got that front fender slapped back together. Painted the bottom there to make it look like a mount instead of, a weird triangle. This bike is still just weird bike. Full-size race bike, I guess, is what you'd call that. Race bike for the bigger fella. But as you can see the paint, I mean, the silver going on was horrible, and then they cleared over it, so there's not much you can do about that. But, I mean, there you go. You can do this. I believe in you. gently press the subscribe button if you could. I'd appreciate it. And we'll see you next time. Bye.